Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host Crypto Chester. In today's video we're talking about the Pyth or Pyth network, however you want to say it, wherever country you're from, and there's been massive news on this. And I basically just want to show you what's happening right now and how we can make some money trading this. Okay, so you can see right now it is just under $900 million in market cap. But in previous price action here, I'm talking literally not even, 7 days ago here, we're talking 6 days ago, we did see this asset really explode. Okay, and when I say explode, it was like, I think like 100% exploded, 118%, I do believe, something along the lines of that. It went from basically 12 cents up to literally 24 cents. Yeah, 100% exploded there. And right now it has pulled back quite substantially, roughly around 70% from that move, okay? So we pumped 100%, now we're actually only up 35%, so around 65% from that move. It has retracted, okay? So not the end of the world, but what does this mean? It means that there's an opportunity. It means that there's a DCA opportunity. There's a massive reason why this thing has pumped, okay? Massive reason, okay? So you can see Chainlink and Pyth choose to bring US statistics on the blockchain. Basically, that means that the US government have chosen Pyth and Chainlink to be the decentralized oracle of information for to be stored on the blockchain for America, okay? Which is obviously absolutely huge. These two are going to be the decentralized oracle for the extraction of information and putting it on the blockchain, which opens the floodgates for volume, for transactions, for literally projects all using it as well. It gives it so much clarity and a high reputation if the US government are going to be using it as well. So that is why we did see a massive spike in the price. And to right, okay, if you look at the market cap of this right now, it's actually at only $900 million. Look at Chainlink, guys. If we just jump to Chainlink very quickly, Chainlink, I do believe it's at like a $15 billion market cap. So that's a 15x away from literally where that Pyth is currently, okay? 15x. So if we are going to see any sort of explosive growth, it's going to be over the next coming months and months or so. It's basically a token under $1 billion market cap that the US government has said that they are going to be using, right? So that's absolutely huge in terms of an opportunity for us to be getting involved with there. And that brings me on to the chart. Okay, before we do that, guys, I do want to talk to you about a couple of meme coins that are going to be doing very well that I've invested in that I think have got massive potential here. The first one is called Maxi Doji. Now, Maxi Doji has raised $1.7 million in their pre-sale so far. They're launching really soon. They're mentioned in some very big news articles across the board. Their branding's unbelievable. Their interactive website. I say this thing just goes the step further to a successful meme coin launch. Okay, you see these crap websites and these crap animations and these crap branding. This is far from any of that. The effort that has gone into this thing is a very good sign for explosive growth. And as I said, they've raised $1.7 million and they have a massive allocation for marketing there, which shows that they're going to be pushing this project to the goddamn moon. Okay, so yeah, definitely something to go check out. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys. You can get involved. All you got to do is MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Coinbase, or Best Wallet, USDT, USDC, Ethereum, BNB, or Solana. Okay, I do believe anyway. Yeah, go check it out. All the links are in the description. Now, the next one here is Pepe Node. This is a really interesting one, actually. It's raised $550,000 so far, but it's like your own virtual server room where you buy virtual nodes, and those nodes will be then used to mine Pepe and Fartcoin and other meme coins to get you airdrops. So really cool concept and kind of GameFi as well, using the node sort of narrative in the space. And you can do upgrades and earn meme coins by doing that, and basically have your own server room on chain that doesn't cost you any computing power. So really cool. Definitely getting a lot of traction here, and you can see $550,000 raised already. I do see this thing raising probably $2, $3, or $4 million here. It looks really good overall, and definitely something that that's trusted by a lot of reputable brands in the source. We're talking Bitcoin.com, CoinMarketCap, Binance Square. Okay, some really big names are talking about this, so definitely go check it out. And huge staking rewards as well, guys. 2,992% on whatever you buy right now. If you buy and stake, this is what you're going to be earning here, which is just absolutely crazy. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys to go check that out. Back to the Pyth chart, because this is where we are going to be making that money in the short term. Okay, those are more long term. Wait for the explosion play, which I do like. Okay, now you can see here, as I said, we have retracted quite heavily here from that the initial all-time high pump that we did see here. Obviously not all-time high for the token, but the pump that we did see here. Now, this does pose the question: why aren't people buying this right now? I think because this was exit liquidity. There's a lot of people basically in these positions here for quite a long time, and it has just been descending down quite rapidly, that were looking to exit. Now they've exited. Now what we're probably looking for here is a test of this previous high, which is very likely what we are doing right now, maybe a little bit lower. I'd say could even come down to here. That's probably more likely, getting a little bit more confluence on that zone, and then we bounce. Okay, we've got the 21 there, and then we've got that horizontal there. We've got the 4-hour volume weighted ATR band there as well. It's very, very likely that we bounce from this zone right the way back up to where we were, and probably then some. Okay, I do see us sailing right up to at least a $5 billion market cap for this asset, but you guys let me know what you think in the comment section of that. Thank you ever so much for watching. That is going to be it from me. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next video.